Yo, what the f... Zut alors. Zut alors. Qu'est-ce que tu penses, hein? Qu'est-ce que tu penses, mec? Qu'est-ce que tu penses? Putain. Ladies and gentlemen, whoa, what's this? I'm getting a bombastic side-eye from the homie in the thumbnail. Crazy. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna like this video. I already did it, by the way. Oh, you know why I like this video? Because I was in the premiere saying hi to everybody. And then I said, commenting for the algorithm. Like the video, guys. Support the creators of this video. Support Rogue Wave and support ROFU. Enough talking. Shut up, Anthony. Let's go. Let's begin.
Hit him with the glitch.
Quality intro.
Into the
Wet sounds.
go. There are only 4 teams left.
残りは4チーム。
So this is after eliminations. They just went to the semifinals, right?
From France.
フランスから。
Can I get a ooh la la? Can I get an ooh la la?
Thank you, Jay. I got you after this, okay?
Make some noise
Thank you
for
very much.
Rogue Wave.
This is priority, though.
Hit him with the glitch.
Mustache.
Collapse.
Collapse.
River.
Let's go.
Rogue Wave.
Man, I'm hyped for this shit. I'm ready.
From Japan.
日本から。
Give it up for ROFU.
Hit him with the glitch.
I said the sun. You.
Hold up. You know what? You know what's funny? Right there. So I gotta zoom in for y'all. This is mad funny. I gotta say this, man. So little Ray in the house. Look at River and Collapse, and it just looks like mother and son. Am I the only one? Come on, man. Come on. It's funny. It's a good joke. Come on, man. Come on. Come on.
In sun.
Yo, we love freestyle. Okay. Revenge match.
Nice snares. Nice hi-hats.
This is freestyle, and this is Hokkaido style, you know? Yo, we are approachable, make some noise! Woo! Yuke mori mori.
Powerful.
Yuke mori mori. Do you understand?
I do not understand.
Yuke mori mori.
Oh, the scratch. So there was one thing I said in the elimination where I was like, they made it through? What? And I was like, yo, Lotus didn't make it through. These guys make it through. I still stand by that. I still think, in my personal opinion, and y'all can disagree, y'all can agree, that's fine. We all have opinions. In the end, nothing matters because we all die. But I think Lotus should have made it through. But yeah, it is the way it is. The judges made their decisions. I respect their decisions because they are qualified judges. And I am not. What I did not really take into consideration with the eliminations was the showmanship. I didn't really look for it. But after posting my reaction, people said like, yo, actually, no, the showmanship is also important. So I got to give them props. Their showmanship is crazy. That's their strongest suit, man. Their showmanship is fire. Very entertaining, a lot of energy. I think this round was better than their elimination round, in my opinion. Their elimination, yeah, it's called elimination round, right? I think this first battle round was better than their elimination round, in my personal opinion. Yeah. Well, this is some showmanship right here, too. That snare is sexy. Oh, bro. Timing is crazy. Yeah, their timing is crazy. So, ROFU went a little bit over time. They stopped exactly at the 0 second mark. Exactly. So, my personal opinion, I think, well, the timing, just that is already a plus point in my opinion. Also, I think they were more powerful. From what I'm hearing here, I don't know what it's like there live, but because, man, y'all remember that battle? LEC versus Alem, where I'm like, yo, what the hell? LEC was clearly better. Or Dice versus Christiodian, where I was like, yo, Dice should have won this. I don't know what the audio was like for the public or the judges, right? So, but I'm giving my judge opinion. I'm not a judge. I'm just giving my opinion. I'm just a dude who watches this and gives his opinion. Dude who makes music and just likes beatbox. That's me. I think this went to Rogue Wave. For me personally, this goes to Rogue Wave. Y'all could let me know in the chat what y'all think, but I just think it was all, you know, solid all around. It was just constantly solid. There wasn't one part where I was like, yo, this was less or this shit was fire. They're so prepared.
Okay, listen now.
I don't know what he's saying.
Yo, we are love from the farm. Are you ready, GBB? Yeah, listen.
Oh yeah, this is it. They're doing the same snare.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. We are not from Japan. Are you ready?
The crowd is loving it though. The crowd is loving it, but my internet is not. What the fuck happened? I don't know what the fuck just happened, but we're back. Okay. I've watched the entire thing by now. I've cheated. I've already seen everything. I've seen Rogue Wave's reply within those 5 seconds. Fucking cheating. Yeah. And I did a whole GBB, you know, ranking already. And video's not even out. Yeah. Okay.
Are you ready?
I don't know what the reference is there. And that's some reference. Crowd is loving it. River's like, listen, I'm about to counter that shit. Hold up. GBB23 reference? Oh, okay. I haven't watched the GBB23 Rogue Wave videos except for a final, I think. I don't know. You should watch it. I mean, I should do what the fuck I want to do. How about that? I think they came with a lot of battle energy. That was, I preferred the second round over the first one. That was pretty fire. Solid. Very powerful. Let's get it.
Switch!
And then they did it. Then they did it.
Gunshots in the ribcage. Gunshots in the ribcage.
Yo, what the fuck? This is. Oh, distance. Motherfucker dancing. Look at it dancing. Zut alors. Zut alors. Qu'est-ce que tu penses, hein? Qu'est-ce que tu penses, mec? Qu'est-ce que tu penses? Putain. You know what I think they are? New school unity. That's what I think they are, because it's also 2 champions. But instead of like 2 world champions, we got 2 GBB champions and shit, you know, in one team. This is Destruction Level 100 Skyrim. That's what this is. That was filthy. Oh shit, that was hard, man. Drum and bass and shit. That shit was hard. That shit was hard. Nah, we all... Man, we all know what... Come on, bro.
Judges in 3.
It's gonna be
Give it up for Rogue Wave.
It's a 5-0. It's a 5-0, right? I'm gonna be honest. I don't think anybody would have stood a chance. Maybe. Yeah, I don't know. Is it one tie? Nah. I mean, it's all blue. He just has his sign. I think it's just the wrong sign he's showing. It's not a tie. It's a 5-0. I think it's a 5-0. I'm guessing that's just, he just turned it around. J-Tone vote for blue, but wrong side. Not the wrong side. If he put it up that side, that's the right side. Let's get it. Watch the outro.
What's up everyone, we are Rogue Wave. Thank you so much for watching our videos at the GBB.
You can follow us on our social medias. I go by the name of RiverBBX on Instagram.
And I'm CollapseBBX. See you soon.
Thank you for watching. We are ROFU from Japan. She is my grandmother, Sachiko. Sachiko! 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 Sachiko, 俺だ!